1. What color is the sky on a clear day? A. Green, bluish, red, yellow. B. Blue. 2. How many fingers does a person have on one hand? A. 3B, 5C, 8D, 10. B. 5. 3. What is the shape of a traffic stop sign? A. Circleb, squaric, triangled, hexagon. A. Circle. 4. Which animal says meow and often purrs? A. Dog, cat, rabbit, elephant. B. Cat. 5. What do we use to brush our teeth? A. Spoon, toothbrush, combed, fork. B. Toothbrush. 6. What season comes after winter? A. Summer, spring, autumn, monsoon. B. Spring. 7. What do we wear on our feet to walk comfortably? A. Gloves, shoes, socks, sandals. B. Shoes. 8. What is the color of the moon at night? A. Blue, yellow, red, white. D. White. 9. How many legs does a spider have? A. 4, 6, 8, 10. C. 8. 10. What is the opposite of cold? A. Hot, warm, freezing, cool. A. Hot. 11. Which fruit is yellow and comes with a peel? A. Banana, apple, orange, grape. A. Banana. 12. What do we use to write with on paper? A. Pencil, pen, marker, crayon. A. Pencil. 13. What do bees collect to make honey? A. What herb, nectar, pollen, milk. B. Nectar. 14. What shape is a pizza typically? A. Square, circle, triangled, rectangle. B. Circle. 15. Which animal is known for its long trunk? A. Giraffe, elephant, lion, tiger. B. Elephant.